laptop, screen, turn on, use, click, choose, borrow, press, button, try, remote control, mobile phone, screen. You can read blogs on it. When you turn it on, it looks like a TV. Laptop. It's easy to take this computer with you. It's very light. Keyboard. You use it to write. Mouse. You choose things on the screen with it. Ben and Omar are using the computer. Omar turns on the computer. He uses the mouse and clicks the picture on the screen.
That's a nice laptop. Can I use it?
Sure. Click on the mouse. Look at these games. You can choose a game and play it.
OK. Can I play this game?
Sure.
Amy borrows Rania's new mobile phone. Rania tells her, you press the blue button to turn on the mobile phone. You press the telephone numbers. Next, you press the green button.
Can I try your mobile phone, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Omar's family are in the living room. Omar has the remote control.
Omar, give me the remote control, please. It's time for the news.
Dad, can we watch the cartoons?
OK, after the news programme.
Name the 4 things you need to write an email. Computer, screen, keyboard, mouse, laptop. How do you choose and play a game on the computer? Click the mouse. What do you need to do to use a mobile phone? First turn on the mobile phone. How do you change the TV programs? Use the remote control.
1. What do you need to write on a computer?
A keyboard.
2. How do you choose things on the screen?
Click the mouse.
3. What computer is light?
A laptop.
4. How do you use a mobile phone?
Turn it on and press the buttons with the numbers. One. Choose. B. 2. Use. C. 3. Try. A. 4. Borrow. D. 5. Press. F. 6. Turn on. G. 7. Laptop. H. 8. Mobile phone. E. 9. Button. I. 10. Remote control. L. 11. Screen. J. 12. Click. K. Four. Read and circle the correct words. 1. You look at the screen to see the pictures and writing. 2. To turn on the computer you press the button. 3. You use a mobile phone to speak to a friend. 4. You use a mouse to move around the screen. 5. A laptop is a light computer. 6. You click on the mouse to choose a new game.
One. Ben wants to write an email.
Heads down.
2. Amy wants to borrow Rania's mobile phone.
Stand up.
3. You click on a keyboard to choose a program.
Heads down.
4. You press the buttons on a mobile phone to speak to a friend.
Stand up.
5. You use a remote control to turn on the computer.
Heads down.
6. You put a laptop in your school bag.
Stand up. 2. Read. Then tick the correct sentences. 1. You use a keyboard to write on the computer. Correct. 2. A computer is lighter than a laptop. 3. You press the buttons on a remote control to choose a TV program. Correct. 4. You borrow things from friends. Correct. 5. You need to press the button to turn on mobile phones, TVs and computers. Correct. 6. TVs, computers and laptops all have remote controls. 3. Read and complete the sentences. Computer, remote control, mobile phone. Borrow, click, turn on. 1. Amy wants to borrow Rania's mobile phone. 2. Omar plays a game on Ben's computer. 3. Rania has a mobile phone. 4. Omar's dad wants to turn on the TV. 5. Omar said, "Can I play this game?" Ben said, "Sure. Click here." 6. You can use the remote control to turn on the TV. 4. Read page 48 and write answers to the questions. 1. What does Omar see the computer games on? Screen. 2. How does Omar move the pictures on the computer? Click on a mouse. 3. There are 3 computer games. Omar wants to play one. What does he need to do? Choose one. 4. Amy needs to use the mobile phone. What does she need to do? Press buttons. 5. Which is heavier, a laptop or a computer? A computer. 6. Amy doesn't have a mobile phone. She needs to call her mom. What does she do? Borrow one. One. Read and complete the sentences. Screen. Remote control. Laptop. Button. Mobile phone. Try. 1. Look at the screen to read the email. 2. Use my mobile phone to speak to your mother. 3. Press the button to choose the TV program. 4. Please can I try it next? 5. Use the to turn on the TV. 6. I want to buy a laptop, it's lighter than a computer. 3. Work in pairs. Read the sentences and activity 1 aloud. Read and circle the correct words. 1. Omar borrowed Ben's computer. 2. Omar's dad chose the TV program. 3. Rania helped Amy use the mobile phone. 4. You click on the mouse. 5. You press the blue button to turn on the mobile phone. 6. You turn on the computer with this button. 4. Read aloud. Look at page 48. A computer is heavy. A laptop is light. Both have screens, keyboards and a mouse. You click on the mouse to choose programs. Ben and Omar are using the computer. Omar wants to choose a game. He needs to click on the mouse. They see the game on the screen. Rania has a new mobile phone. Amy wants to borrow it. Amy can't use it. Rania helps her to find the blue button. Look, Amy, you need to turn on the mobile phone first and then you speak on it. You can use the remote control to choose programs on the TV. You do not need to stand up when you have a remote control. What does Amy want to do with Rania's mobile phone? Borrow, use it. How do you use the mobile phone? Press button, speak. How do you choose programs or games on the computer or laptop? Click the mouse. What do you need to choose TV programs? A remote control. The sentences with the correct words. Today. Look at page 48. What are they going to do in 5 minutes? 1. Omar and Ben are going to play a computer game. 2. Omar is going to watch the cartoons. 3. Amy is going to borrow Rania's mobile phone. 4. Rania is going to help Amy use the mobile phone. 5. Amy is going to press the buttons on the mobile phone. 2. Think and complete the sentences with the correct words. What are you going to do this afternoon? 1. I am going to walk home. 2. I am going to eat my lunch. 3. I am going to do my homework. 4. I am going to listen to music. 5. I am going to use the computer. 3. Think and complete the sentences. 1. Borrow your bike. Can I borrow your bike, please? In. Can I come in, please? 3. Use your mobile phone. Can I use your mobile phone, please? 4. Borrow your book. Can I borrow your book, please? 4. Think and complete the sentences. Games. Computer. Work. Uses. 1. Do you have a computer, Amy? 2. We have a family computer. My father uses it for his work. Ben and I use it to play games.
Ben, can I use your computer, please?
Sure. What do you want to do?
Can I play a game?
Okay. There are lots of games. Look at the names and choose one.
How do I start?
First, turn on the computer. Now move the mouse on the name of the game. Click the button on the mouse.
Rania, can I borrow your mobile phone again, please?
Sure. Here you are.
How do I turn it on?
Press this blue button, then press the number buttons.
Listen and answer. 1. Who's talking?
Ben, Omar, Amy, Rania.
2. What does Omar want to do?
Play a computer game. Use borrow the computer.
3. What does Ben tell him?
To choose a game.
4. What does Omar need to do?
Turn on the computer. Click the mouse.
5. What does Amy want to do?
Borrow the mobile phone.
6. What does Rania tell her?
Press the blue button, then press the number buttons.
Track 46.
1. Omar is going to play a computer game. 2. Omar is reading the screen. He wants to find a game. 3. Omar needs to choose a game. 4. Ben tells Omar to turn on the computer.
Everyone join in. Click your fingers like this, like that. Press them together. Show me how. Can I click my fingers?
Of course you can. Come on, do it.
Like this and like that.
One. Read the clues and complete the crossword. Down. 1. You use this to turn on the TV. Remote control. 2. This is lighter than a computer. Laptop. 3. You need to do this when there is more than one thing. Choose. 4. You do this when you play on the computer. You. It. Use. 6. It's not a present. I'm not giving it to you. You can. It. Borrow. 7. This is what you press. Button. 9. You look at this to see what's on the TV and computer. Screen. Across 5. You use this to speak to friends who are not near you. Mobile phone. 8. You need to do this to turn on the computer. U. A button. Press. 10. When you use something for the first time, you. It. Try. 11. You need to do this to use the computer. Turn on. 12. You do this on a mouse. Click. 2. Think and write sentences. Can I use your laptop, please? B. Sure. Can I try your mobile phone, please? B. Okay. Can you give me the remote control, please? B. Yes, here you are. 4. Write the words. Practice your handwriting. Try. Use. Choose. Borrow. Press. Turn. Laptop. Mobile phone. Button. Remote control. Screen. Click. The sentences. Check your spelling. 1. I'm going to try to ride this bike. 2. He's going to use my computer. 3. Please choose one ice cream. 4. She's going to borrow my book. 5. You need to press this button. 6. Please turn on the light. 7. This is my laptop. 8. Please use my mobile phone. 9. You need to press this button. 10. Use the remote control to turn it on. 11. Look at the TV screen. 12. You need to click the mouse to choose the game.